The world is changing very rapidly around us. Now we have AI powered, or in other words, LLM powered personal companion gadget that will do Alexa like things for you. So, what it means is that you can order groceries, play music, check messages, make phone calls, reply to the texts, and lot of other things in the approximate form factor of an original human. And that Rabbit R1 only cost US dollar 200. It's not available in Australia yet, but it will be soon. But already you can pre-order it. Now, I am really very perplexed about it, but before I share my own opinion, let me give you a bit more overview around this because it is quite interesting. If you go to their website, the orange color is quite, I would say, catchy. Now, the gadget looks really cool. All you need to do is to push to talk button, and then from there you can do a lot of things. You can also check out its mic. Looks like the design of Apple, but I think this is way more catchy and enticing. And then it also has an analog scroll wheel, which is quite interesting. I mean, it's been a long time I have seen anything like that in any gadget. So this is basically a system that can infer and model human actions on computer applications. This rabbit can also perform the actions reliably and quickly and is well suited for deployment in various AI assistants and operating systems. This system is technically called as Large Action Model, or LAM. This LAM is enabled by recent advances in neurosymbolic programming. The LAM allows for the direct modeling of the structure of various applications and user actions performed on them without a transitory representation such as text. The LAM system achieves results competitive with state of the art approaches in terms of accuracy, interpretability, and speed. Engineering and building the LAM architecture involves overcoming both research challenges and engineering complexities, which it seems that this company is doing very well at the moment. Now, these efforts, I think, going to shape the next generation of natural language driven consumer experiences, and there is a lot to it because I think it is, as we can already see, that the proliferation of personalized experiences delivered via mobile applications has been a dominant theme of the last decade of personal computing. And we have seen improvement in graphical user interfaces for these existing applications. And without doing any coding or programming, we can simply interact with these applications. So I think this is the next step in that area. So pretty shoofed about it. Now, if you look at the research of this rabbit, it is quite interesting, and they have shared a lot of stuff there. What exactly this rabbit can do and how it can perform. Bit of a marketing read too. So it's not. I think that more than um, deep research, this is bit of a easily understandable language. So I would highly suggest that you read it, especially this paragraph where they are describing lamb's recipe, which I just described what lamb is, and then from there they are telling exactly how the lamb is accumulating knowledge from the demonstration over time, and then it gains a deeper understanding about yourself and what exactly you are doing. Bit scary, I would say too, but there are a lot of information which you can read through on their website. So this is it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on it because I think that I'm not even sure if we are ready for yet another Alexa-like thing. But then I am already trying to reduce my phone usage a bit less, but it doesn't seem possible because of the things which I need to do throughout the day. My whole life is attached to my phone. So in that case, when we have an LLM powered device gadget, I think that will just take it to the next level. So, and another thing is that privacy and security of custom personal data should be paramount in that case, and they have this privacy page too, because I think they also understand that they would need a discreet and secure companion when it comes to LLM powered gadget. So, and R1 is designed to protect your privacy, and RabbitOS is a secure custodian of instruction and all that stuff. So you can read through it, but still I think I would need something a bit more concrete to see how this privacy works, because that is my major concerns around it. Last but not least, if you are looking to work in Rabbit AI, then they also have a career page, and you can go through it and see what sort of roles are there, because I saw a few roles are open, like software engineer and all that stuff. And I'm not sure if they are remote or not, but all of them are based in US. So if you see, so yeah, I think four of them are remote, but one resident one is in LA. So if you are interested, go apply there and see how it goes. That's it. Just a quick overview of R1. And when I get my hand on one gadget, I might give you a proper working work through and walk through around it. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or any thoughts, share them please. And if you are also looking forward using this, let me know your thoughts too. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.